Hello XDC family and welcome back to Crypto Ready. If you want to be ready for crypto, then you are in the right place. Today we have got many explosive updates for the XDC community. We are going to be talking about eToro, new partnerships, and the New York Stock Exchange. So I hope you will stick around to the end, as today's video is going to be explosive as usual. We shall continue right after this intro. Finally guys, XDC has gone live on eToro. And something that we need to remember is eToro is a leading social trading platform and it has over 30 million registered users. But something interesting I've noticed here guys is that eToro is partnered with BlackRock for ETFs. Goldman Sachs, it is compliant in the USA with the US SEC. It has also got partnerships with London Stock Exchange, Dubai Financial Markets, and they have completed their IPO just this year and now are listed for their shares on NASDAQ. So XDC being listed on eToro means that we will potentially reach a wider investor base. We are going to gain more visibility and liquidity guys, because liquidity is a big deal. We are going to have access to a broader range of investors that can potentially lead to increased trading volume and liquidity for XDC. As you just seen, all these partnerships is not a small matter guys, because all these big institutions, these big exchanges across the world are now gonna have exposure to XDC. So you better buckle up guys, because a lot is happening for XDC. And then we've got XDC partnering with Orochi network, the verifiable data layer for RWA, to bring verifiable audit-grade data to tokenized finance on XDC network. And this is going to bring verifiable RWA tokenization, cost-efficient data integrity, interoperability and compliance, and trustworthy infrastructure. So why does this matter guys? Because it matters to institutions. They need verifiability, auditability, and predictable costs. And XDC and Orochi are now going to be able to deliver all of these three for them. So once again guys, this is now going to be bringing more institutions to the table. The future we are moving to now guys is very competitive, and XDC clearly stands at number one for me at solving every single problem we have in the world today. And this company called Orochi is bringing a lot to the table. As you can see on the screen right now, they have got partnerships with many different big players in this world today. So you better be ready. And this has to be the best picture for XDC I have ever seen in my life. An iconic view from Wall Street on-chain at the New York Stock Exchange, where traditional finance meets blockchain innovation. This has to be very exciting guys, because are we on the cusp of doing an IPO? Are we going to be going public very soon? And this is going to give us access to capital that we have never seen before. Increased amount of liquidity. It's going to bring global awareness for XDC. And the growth potential guys is going to be exponential, because this will potentially open the door to investors. And I'm not talking about retail guys, I'm talking about big institutions waiting right now to invest in the future of finance. And XDC once again on the New York Stock Exchange is leading the way for the rest to follow. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section guys. Do you think XDC is going forward for an IPO? Is it gonna happen? I believe the short answer is yes, it's gonna happen one way or another. Most of the companies that we see today, especially XDC, with all the problems it's solving, it deserves an IPO. It deserves to be public. Let's now look at some timelines from Q. September 23, 2025 is the swan signal. October 13, 2025 is the pre-collapse. And November 22, 2025 is the switch. And the switch that we're talking about here right now is the new ISO standard that is coming in very, very fast. And even Swift is being overtaken for the trillions of dollars they move every single day by companies like XDC. 2009 to 2025 was the Bitcoin cabal trap. In my opinion, people are being distracted by the shiny object Bitcoin. In 2026, the X reset is going to happen. XRP, XLM, XPR, and XDC. Debt will be erased overnight. And to be honest, guys, I believe we are really close to following this timeline because we are getting really close to the finish line right now. And as you can see on the screen right now, a crypto that solves a problem, it has utility, is gonna absolutely win the day. You won't have Bitcoin solving all of these problems because it physically can't, right? It doesn't have the capacity, it doesn't have the technology behind it. Bitcoin was the first one through the gate, but better technologies have evolved from Bitcoin, and now we are at the finish line, guys, with utility ready to take off. And the big boys know, guys, where the big money is going to be made. They're going to distract the masses to buy Bitcoin at $100,000+ and then make the big gains on the low cap gems that you can see on the screen right now. So ensure that you do your own due diligence, guys, because the end is here. And then you've got the ISO 20022 connection. Just listen to this, guys. In the shadowy corridors of global finance, where billion-dollar transactions flow through antiquated systems daily, a quiet revolution is taking shape. 8 cryptocurrencies, as you can see on the screen, including XDC, are not just competing for market share. They are positioning themselves as the foundational infrastructure for the next generation of financial services. And this paragraph, guys, has to be very important, right? Because ISO, they say, is going to decide which cryptocurrencies survive the transition from speculative assets to essential financial infrastructure. And as you have seen on this channel for a number of years now, and today especially, XDC is in all of the right places to ensure it makes the future. And honestly speaking, guys, I don't see millions of cryptos solving a similar problem. It's going to be a handful of few. And I think the ISO standard, the ISO compliant cryptos have the biggest chance of making it to the future we are moving fastly into. So in an ideal situation, guys, the best way forward is to pay attention to the ISO standard compliant cryptos, because I believe they are going to make you the most money. And then it gets even better for XDC because NASDAQ files with the SEC to allow tokenization and blockchain listing of stocks. And we can't forget the connections NASDAQ has with XDC. They adopted Corda blockchain for digital assets exchange software. And XDC is the one and only settlement coin for the R3 Corda network, right? Do you guys see how XDC is being planted across the world in all of the right places? Just today alone has shown you how far and wide XDC has spread. We are looking at ETFs, ETPs, a potential IPO. So much more is incoming, guys. I believe this year, even though we've only got a few months to go, guys, this year is gonna bring a lot more liquidity to XDC. A lot more big news is incoming. And in the next bull run, guys, which is incoming very close right now, I believe XDC could achieve $10+ as long as everything aligns, guys, because XDC is in all the right places at the right time. And I believe there is a chance that XDC will be listed on NASDAQ as well. And if they are, this will serve XDC as a benchmark. Just imagine it, guys, XDC being at the top and the rest of the cryptos following a strict process to being on that level playing field with XDC. It is going to happen, guys, because XDC, as you've seen in today's video, is making all the right moves, guys, right? And when they flip that switch, because they will eventually, guys, because we're getting closer and closer to the finish line, XDC will rise faster than anyone has ever imagined before. So all you got to do right now is ensure that most of your crypto is safe and offline, guys, where you hold the keys. A decent wallet ad is now going to follow. I've got 2 offers in the description right now, one with Cypherock and one with Decent. Both of these wallets are safe and secure, guys. It just depends on your personal preference, how much you're willing to spend. So please do your own due diligence and select the wallet that suits you best. But please ensure, as we are getting closer to the finish line, most of your crypto is offline where you hold your own keys. So guys, thank you so much for watching today. I shall see you on the next video. And just remember, guys, if you use the normal website with Decent, you're going to be paying $139 for one Decent wallet. But if you follow my link in the description, then you can pay $10 less at $129. The link for the wallet is now at the top of the video. Click the link because you need this wallet to take part in this massive event. So Tap That Drop represents Decent's transition toward a participation-based Web3 platform. The Decent wallet, guys, I believe is one of the most securest wallets in the world. The wallet is no longer just a place to store assets. With Decent and Tap That Drop, experience the starting point of Web3 rewards. All the links to get a massive discount on a decent wallet are going to be in the description. Click the links, get a wallet, and be prepared for this massive event that is happening right now. So this is your chance, guys, literally to get your hands on some free money. Many of the tokens they are representing are going to be massive, guys, right? Many of them haven't launched yet and are going to be potentially massive for the future. So you can get your hands on an airdrop and many more things.